Hi you. Hi there. How are you doing? This is Patrice Juandono. Let's discuss academic words group 9. About this, this is, don't worry, this is a anti-COVID cap. Okay, let's dive into academic words group 9. So these are the academic words group 9. It consists or it contains words like accommodate, analogy, anticipate, assure, attain, behave, bulk, cease, coherent, coincide, commence, compatible, concurrent, confine, controversy, converse, device, devote, diminish, distort, duration, erode, ethic, format, found, inherent, insight, integral, intermediate, manual, mature, mediate, medium, military, minimal, mutual, norm, overlap, passive, portion, preliminary, protocol, qualitative, refine, relax, restrain, revolution, rigid, root, scenario, sphere, subordinate, supplement, suspend, team, temporary, trigger, unify, violate, and vision. Yeah, there seems to be many, but don't worry because some of the words have been familiar to us because they also exist in our Indonesian language, and thus you don't need to study them. We are going to study those which are really different or those which are really new to you. Okay, so let's start with assure. Notice the pronunciation and then the meaning in Indonesian. Also the use in context, how it is used in context. Assure means memastikan or menjamin. For example, we assure them that their children are in good hands. Assurance is the noun. It means jaminan or kepastian. His words are an assurance that makes us feel safe. Then you have attain as a verb. It means mencapai. Finally, we attained our goal. Akhirnya kami mencapai tujuan kami. And then if it becomes a noun, then it becomes attainment, which means pencapaian. This more or less means the same as achievement. Attainment and achievement are more or less the same. Still remember what achievement means? Yeah, it is pencapaian or prestasi. Okay, next is bulk. Bulk is sesuatu yang sangat besar. For example, there was a large bulk on the road. And then comes the expression in bulk. In bulk is a phrase which means dalam jumlah besar. For example, let us buy papers in large bulk. In large bulk means dalam jumlah besar. Mari kita beli kertas dalam jumlah besar. Yeah, sometimes you also see this one, bulky. Bulky means besar, berukuran besar, ya. Berukuran besar. Berukuran besar. Example, this sofa is bulky stuff here in this small room, for example. Yeah, okay, that's bulky. Yeah, bulky means berukuran besar. Okay, and then let me continue to cease means berhenti. For example, the shooting ceased for a while. Probably you are familiar with the word or with the phrase ceasefire, gencatan senjata. That's the period when soldiers stop shooting at each other. They stop shooting. Okay, coherent means runtut, mudah diikuti or dipahami. For example, your ideas flow coherently. Coincide, terjadi bersamaan dengan sesuatu yang lain. For example, my birthday coincides with yours. Hari ulang tahun saya jatuhnya bersamaan dengan hari ulang tahunmu. Coincides with. And then you have comments. Yeah, comments. Let me scroll down. Comments is mulai, yeah, like start. Yeah. The show will commence in 10 minutes. Comments here is mulai. Concurrent, terjadi bersamaan. The two shows are concurrently shown. Ya, dua pertunjukan itu terjadi bersamaan. Misalnya mereka sama-sama mulai pada jam 9 pagi. Confine means membatasi. We confine our discussion to national industries. So membatasi diskusi kami pada industri-industri nasional saja, tidak membahas tentang industri luar negeri. Confine to something. And then you have converse, means bercakap-cakap. She is conversing with the teachers. Yeah, this is not a brand of shoes, ya, bukan merek sepatu. But here it means bercakap-cakap. Device is noun, I think you know that. Devote is mempersembahkan. I devoted this song to the late great singer. Late di sini maksudnya almarhum yang sudah meninggal. Ya. Diminish means berkurang. Fish are diminishing fast these days. Ikan-ikan berkurang banyak hari-hari ini. Ya. Ethic is etika, prinsip moral yang berkaitan dengan benar dan salah. That's ethic. For example, hedonism, sorry for the typo here, should be like that. NISM, hedonism ethic is rampant these days. Rampant means bertumbuh dengan cepat, tidak terkendali, rampant. Found, verb here is mendirikan. For example, they founded this university in 2005. Inherent is bawaan, sudah menyatu sejak lahir. Inherent. For example, our inherent language ability enables us to learn any language. Kemampuan bahasa kita yang sudah bawaan, ya, sejak lahir, enables us to learn any language. Still remember the word enables, ya, memungkinkan or memampukan. Insight, pandangan ke dalam sesuatu, atau pengertian atau pemahaman ke dalam sesuatu yang abstrak. For example, this book offers an insight into psychology. Buku ini memberikan suatu pandangan, suatu wawasan ke ranah psikologi. Notice that the word insight here is followed by the word into. Insight into something. Then you have integral, menyatu. Bus and taxis are integral parts of transportation. Mediate means menengahi pertikaian or conflict. The team mediates between the conflicting parties in Papua. Mediates here means menengahi suatu konflik, suatu pertikaian. Yeah. Protokol is aturan tata krama dan aturan prosesi. For example, just follow the protocol of the palace and you will be safe. Jadi kalau misalnya Anda mengunjungi Istana Buckingham di Inggris, ada protokol di sana, ada tata caranya. Ya, Anda tidak langsung diluncur masuk ke sana, tapi ada tata caranya, and that is called protocol. But also, protocol is in the computer world. It means jenis kode komputer untuk berkomunikasi dengan komputer yang lainnya. Protokol. Okay. Next one is refine. Refine is meningkatkan kualitas. For example, we are refining the system so that it will reduce complaints. Refine means meningkatkan kualitas sesuatu, meningkatkan kualitas sistem itu. Ya. Restrain here is membatasi. For example, our movement is restrained within these 4 walls. Pergerakan kami dibatasi di dalam batasan 4 dinding ini. Rigid is kaku. The rules are too rigid to change. Rigid, ya. Kaku. Sphere sphere is bentuk bundar, or it means ranah or area, or bidang keahlian misalnya. For example, in the educational sphere, students must be the focus. Dalam bidang pendidikan, siswa harus menjadi titik sentralnya. Sphere here is bidang, area, or ranah. But it can also mean something with the shape of this bundar. For example, our Earth is sphere. Ya. Subordinate bawahan, ya bawahan. This is bawahan di sini maksudnya bukan rok bawahan, ya, tapi bawahan dalam arti staff, orang yang pangkatnya lebih rendah. Ya. Okay, supplement is pelengkap. These books are supplement to the main textbook. Okay, pelengkap. Suspend is men-scores. You will suspend it from school. Suspend is men-scores here. Or menggantung suatu benda. The clothes are suspended from the ceiling. Baju-baju itu digantung dari langit-langit. Ya. Okay, temporary is sementara. With power outage is just temporary. Mati lampu ini cuma sekedar sementara. Trigger is memicu atau menyebabkan. A protest soon triggered a demonstration by the laborers. Triggered, memicu, menyebabkan. Ya. Unify is menyatukan. They unified their efforts and succeeded in launching the new product. Mereka menyatukan upaya-upaya mereka sehingga mereka berhasil meluncurkan produk yang baru. Violate is melanggar. For example, our acts violate the rules. Tindakan kita melanggar peraturan. Violate. Okay? Okay, so those are academic words group 9. Okay, so let's go to the exercise. Here is the exercise. You have sentence with blank, just the initial letter of the words, of the target words, and then followed by blank. You have to write down the correct words in the blanks like this. For example, let's go into the hall. The event will soon work out something. Write down a word which starts with C. Okay, you may pause this video so you can write the answers on your piece of paper. Then when we go to the online session, we can discuss those answers, and then I'll explain some of the difficulties that might arise, some of the problems that you might have, or I will answer your questions. Okay, so you have 10 items. Yes, actually more than 10, but let's do the first 10. We are going to do the rest when we come to class. Okay, so that's academic words group 9. Okay, that's it, students. Academic words group 9. Good luck, study them well, and stay safe and stay healthy, and goodbye.